Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial on Rednote. We will be guiding you through everything you need to know about the app. So we're going to open the app and right here you can see the app as it looks. At the bottom you have 5 icons. You have the home, the trending, and this takes you basically to all the trending stuff on Rednote. Then you have the plus icon and this is where you go if you'd like to upload anything. At the bottom, you can see templates, album, camera, and live. Yes, if you'd like to go live, you can simply swipe over to live. And then at the top, you have all video, photo, and a live photo. You can use this setting to narrow down your media options on your local device. If that's not enough, you can tap on the recent drop-down menu and you will see other options for adding media. Also in Rednote, you can tap on image to text, which is located at the top right corner. And right here, you can create image from text. After writing what you think or what you want, you can simply go on generate image. On the messages icon, here you can have your correspondence or direct messages with other followers or those whom you are following. And then under me, this is where you can find the details about your profile. You can see your profile icon, your profile name, and your user ID. And then at the bottom right here, you can see all your posts. Then you can also see your likes. If you'd like to make some edits to your profile, you can tap on the gear icon just beside Edit Profile. You have some other settings such as account security, general settings, notification settings, and these other options to help you out. If you'd like to log out, you can simply tap on the logout button or switch account if you want to. When you tap on account security, here you can see your mobile number and bind it to your Rednote. This will help you to have more functionality while using your Rednote app. You can bind it with WeChat, Weibo, QQ, and Apple. There are other options here which you can go ahead and explore for yourself depending on what you want. Then under General Settings, here you can change the language, font size, and dark mode. If we tap on languages, there are 3 options and of course we're leaving it in English. Then you have the font size, dark mode, and you can switch it from dark mode to light mode as quick and easy as that. And then while we're back home, at the top you can see follow, tap on explore, tap on nearby, and you have these different options to explore your Rednote app. And then at the top left corner, you have the hamburger menu, tap on it, and here you have the option to discover friends, creator center, drafts, my comments, where you can see your comments and your history. There are other options and you can go ahead and explore them as you wish. If you'd like to scan using the QR code scanner, you can simply tap on it at the bottom of the side menu. So in this tutorial, you've been able to see all you need to know on Rednote app to enjoy it as a social media app. So go ahead and have fun with it.